Hold on, sir. Can you hear me?
Can you hear me? Stephen Yotiwame? Okay, great. So
Okay.
I'm thinking we're going to do breakout session today. I will do this with them to build the
Okay.
website. So we're going to be guiding them. Say, for example, let me do a new one for you. Create a project. Let's call it code uh, HTML start. Beginner.
Yes.
Beginner. Can you see can you see me? So
Yes, I
this
can see.
So this website is edublocks.org, started by Python. So
Okay.
you pick it, which I think is nice and simple.
Yeah,
Uh,
it looks good.
so go here, start the structure, go here, add, go here, title, go here. Can you see my screen? No, you can't see my
Yes, I
screen,
can.
right?
I can. I
Oh,
can.
you can or you cannot?
I can see it.
Can't.
I can see it. I can see it. I can see it.
Can you see my screen now?
I'm seeing it. I'm
What do
seeing
you
it. I'm
see?
seeing it.
What do you see?
Your screen. The
And
code
what
block.
Okay, great. Okay. Just want to be sure. So then get body. Now
Okay.
text. Yeah. And then go to attribute style. You try to do inline. Yeah. And then you can do border. No, you can just do color, blue, right? And now I'm thinking we should have structure, div. You can use section. Yeah. And then we can call this section, let's give it a class name. And then I think go to attribute, you can get class and then put it in there. And then you can call it section, section one or something. Or we just call it section so that we don't have to write it many times. And then in this section, we want it to have border. So we go to, what do you call it, style. Yeah, the style. We can do that or we do another method. You can just continue to use inline. If I would use this method for adult for the bigger ones, but we use inline more for the smaller one because it might be difficult to explain this. So the parent starts in 5 minutes. So let me just try and pretend what I want to say. Okay, so what's next? Next, with the rest of this camp, we're going to be touching on introducing them to styling in on CSS, in Java, and a little bit of JavaScript. Say, for example, I'll show you an example of some of the classes that we've taken, some of the part of the summer camp, and this is some other student project. And you can see they have some JavaScript code. They have HTML, CSS all in one place. And we're going to be, in the end, they're going to be able to do all of this. All right. So that's what we are looking at. All right. And at the end, we are going to be giving out certificate of completion. However, we require that all students have a minimum of 8 classes to get our certificate of completion. So since this is 4 summer classes, we encourage parents to sign up all the kids to sign up their children for 4 coding classes where we can gonna be small group. It's just class of uh 4 students 4 to 6 students in a class. So we've taken it further this fall. So I would advise that you take it further and do not stop there. That's just introducing them to recoding. And in the fall, we're going to be touching on advanced concept of CSS and also some JavaScript concept and a little bit into Python. And it's going to be a 12-week after school online coding classes with live tutors. And it's separate groups. You can join Code Angels or wait.
Okay.
I have 3 minutes left, right? So this
Yes.
is to sell. Yeah. This thing is always
Yeah.
costing.
It's looking nice actually.
Goal is to sell because I
It's a good
can
idea.
talk.
Mm.
It's not working, Daddy. Oh. Oh, did you stop the recording? Good.
I'll play it when they join.
Yeah, don't forget though, multi live stream already.
Okay, till
Um,
live.
mhm. This
Oh,
is live stream on YouTube.
yeah, okay.
Yeah, while they clean a part, you go on YouTube later, you know.
Of course. But on Loma will you to share send links on Kono.
No. I didn't send the link of YouTube.
Okay.
You get it, right? So no
Yes, I get
YouTube.
it.
It just American record there everywhere. So later on, all the classes we're gonna be using last week, me in the Chinese state,
Then that's true.
so I will mute all of the kids. Um, I disable annotation, they cannot unmute themselves. I will disable the chat as well. They can chat, but we will give them free time. So what I'm planning today is that last week I asked them to try this. We'll do this for 5 minutes to see if anybody has something they want to share with. So show it. Oh, good job. And then once we finish that, they will move straight here today so that
Okay.
we can start writing the code for you. So this is the strategy. So if you
Someone is
go
here.
to,
Someone
okay,
is here.
yeah, we're good. Okay, great. Yeah. Give it 1 minute before admitting them.
I she's in.
Oh, you admit. Okay, great. So, hello, welcome. How are you doing? Welcome to HEPCODING. Welcome to HEPCODING.
Good morning. How are you?
Good morning. Good morning. My name is
Oh,
Dr.
afternoon.
Wale. It's afternoon for me. Yeah. Where are you
Yeah.
joining from?
Charlotte, North Carolina. Same here. I just been
Oh,
up a
okay.
while.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
You too.
Um, yeah. So let's just wait a little bit. Maybe just 2 minutes just to get everybody join us.
Okay.
Yeah. And by the way, thanks so much for taking the time to join us. I
Mm.
hope I will make it worth it for you at the end of the day.
Yes, no problem. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, and sorry the background might look for the kids, but
No,
I
you're
hope
fine.
okay, great. Um, Hello, Abisek. Did I pronounce your name right? You're welcome. Fema, you're welcome. Rina, you're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah, Fema, you're welcome. Rina, you're welcome. So if you have not met me before, my name is Dr. Wale, and I'm the founder of HEPCODING. We've been operating now for about 3 years. Um, I actually started this whole thing because of my son. Um, it was during COVID. He was 4 years old then, and he was um, he was just watching me write code. And then one day he started writing code on the wall. And I was like, how did he understand it? So that's when I decided to kind of like move closer to him to understand how does he learn. So he kind of taught me how to teach kids how to write code like adults. So that's what led to the inspiration of developing a new methodology that we are using at HEPCODING to kind of help kids to learn coding and be able to write codes like adults. So all our students are writing code like we have a CCAO that writes like Python, JavaScript, all the web development tools, HTML, CSS, and all based on the learning as a parent, learning the method that works for my son, and then try to bring it out and turn into a whole learning curriculum and methodology. And I think that's what's working for us. And then in addition, we created a kind of offline kind of game that can enable parents also to get involved and also reduce screen time at the same time for the children so they can learn even with or without a parent. I think we have a lot of people now. Maybe we can start now. Okay. So that's just in the nutshell. I was just sharing that story just to kind of like while we are waiting for people. So I have a couple of slides that I want to use to kind of talk to you a little bit, and I hope that's okay. So, so basically, first of all, I'd like to thank you all for joining us. So this is HEPCODING, and like I said before, my name is Dr. Wale. Got my PhD from Cambridge University, and also studied a lot at MIT. And I used to work in the World Bank. I used to work at IFPRI in DC. I used to teach a little bit. So that's my background in a nutshell. So basically, we today is basically just to show you a little bit of what's our intention and to give you a little bit of feedback where how the kids are doing and what's the focus for the rest of the summer camp. So basically last week we started off by giving them a little bit of freedom to express themselves. But before I go on, I want to let you know that
What the?
F code, can you hear me? Can you all hear me?
Yes, we can.
Okay,
Yes,
great. Okay, great. So before I go home, because we only have like 10 minutes left. So I want you to know that app coding programs comes with everything your child needs to be successful in learning coding. And it doesn't matter whether they've had an experience before or they don't. Everybody that comes to ours, because we try to understand the kid. Some are very good, some are kinetic learner, some are auditory, some are visual, some are, so our first goal is studying the child and understanding where they are, who is this child, and then matching them up with the right tutor and the right learning system. So that's how we work. So in a quick recap, last week we kind of like just give them open state. You will see that everything was chaotic. It was intentional. And the goal is for us to know them, for them to make the mistakes that so that we can have opportunity to say, hey, you can't do that. But if we don't allow them to express themselves and we just put them in a structured environment without really understanding them, for them to also get to know us, then there will not be enough opportunity for us to be able to understand the kid and know what is the right methodology to teach this child. Every child cannot be taught the same way. So that was the reason for last week. So, but the main learning now start this week and to the end of the summer camp, and then going to the fall. So for the rest of the three classes today and the other 2 weekends, we are going to now be going into some quick CSS and JavaScript concept, and then the goal is that at the end of the summer camp, each child is going to go home with a mini website of their own, about my favorite thing. So this is an example of, this 13 plus class. And this is one of the example of their project that they did there are several cohorts that we have been taking for the summer camp. So this is one of the cohorts and then one of the kids projects, right? And they just able to write this simple code It's not too, basic code. You can see they were able to do HTML side, and they are able to do some CSS stylings, and then they're able to do the JavaScript side as well. So like they learn concept like loops, they learn concept like if statement, conditional statement, branching, like if I give you something, then something must happen and things like that. So we take our time to break it down. And then our goal is that when all of them have learned that, they will end up being able to write code like this. These are some of our students as well. These are actually 8-year-old students who created a calculator to calculate people's age in minutes. This is a project they just completed. So they will be able to write code like an adult. So basically, they will start with our curriculum is such that they start off playing with the code, and then they will get gradually into writing the code. So we can only do much in the summer camp. If you want to take it further, we have coding program throughout the year. We have coding program for fall as well. And that's when we are going to have small classes, 4 to 6 students, one-on-one classes, live tutor, and everything. So whatever age group, well, we're starting from 6 and upward. So you can be able to join and things like that. So maybe I should stop here a little bit because of time to hear if anybody have any question before I introduce our curriculum. So if you have questions, please feel free to unmute yourself and just ask me any question. Okay. So let me assume that there's no class. I mean, there's no question right now. So last week, all the kids did fantastic. They were very excited, which is what we are looking for. You might see that some people join and they don't come back. It's okay for us. And the reason is that we are trying to make sure we match with the right people. I mean, with the right student as well. We want to match ourselves so that there could be good result, good outcome. And that's why we take our time. We say, okay, let all the kids let them just have fun. Let them just unmute themselves. Let them make noise. Let them do whatever they want to do, right? So that gives us an opportunity to see who they are, to understand them. Then when we're matching them with the right techniques and the right tutor, that gives us an insight to be able to achieve a good outcome with them. Because most of the coding places you go, they have a regime that they are following, and then they're applying that regime to all the students. Some students learn differently, and you have to follow them you have to follow that routine with them so that you can achieve results. So for the class, what they wouldn't learn is that there's a game development route, and then there's web development route. So we are going to do a little bit of both, but our focus will be for them to actually write. They will be able to write HTML and CSS, and then they will be able to write JavaScript for interactivities as well. And then we're going to introduce them to Python. And then depending on the pace the child is, then we're going to decide on how we want to take it forward, all right? And then we're going to talk to them about AI and also money magic and things like that. So it's just beyond coding, but because our goal is really not just for them to play only with the code, but actually, like, you have an idea, we will work with them to kind of help them this is how you come up with new idea. This is how you break down your idea. This is how you bring your idea to life. So those are kind of things that make our coding system to be different. It's not just for them to have fun alone. They will have fun, but also they will do something meaningful so that they have any idea, they can be able to bring it to life themselves. And that's our goal. So because like my son, at the age of 6, he built his first game. And he used JavaScript, he used CSS, HTML. He started off with Python because he loved Python a lot, but there are some limitations. He couldn't do some things in Python. Then he switched it back to JavaScript, and he was able to complete the project. Of course, I give him maybe 20% of assistance. So that's the kind of goal that we have. Whatever idea that the children have, you will be surprised how much idea they are far, like 200% more clever than us. So you will realize that as they go into it, right? So again, is there any question? Okay, if there's no question and you're interested in signing up for the 4 classes, all you have to do is go to our website, which is hepcoding.com, and then you will see the 4. You can click on the 4, and then you can see different programs and then review it. And if you have any question, please feel free to reach out to me. If you want, you can book one-on-one feedback session with me, and then we can talk about it, and I can show you a little bit more or any question you have, all right? So, I'm trying to, because I know the kids will start jumping in now. So you can see, right, this is just an example of different kind of games that they will be playing. Like we will have Minecraft Adventure, we have Game Lab, we have AI, machine learning, different stuff, right? So our curriculum is very simple. We started off from what they can see to what they play with, and then to what they create, and then to what they have control over. So that's our style. Our style is start with visual and beautiful stuff, and then we move gradually into things that they can play with, concept and logic, right? And then we go down the line like that. So uh, without talking too much, yeah, this is the breakdown of phases. So they started playing with the code. These are different courses, different age, and then it goes like that. And then at the end of the day, everybody should end up as a confident coder. That's the way my son is right now. So if you registered by 23rd, we're giving 50% discount out. If you register before the end of this month, then it will be 20%. And there is also referral discount as well. So if you have any question about any of this, please feel free to reach out to me or to the team, right? So that's the next step. You can go ahead and register 20% before August 31, 50% before August 23rd. And that's it from me. If you have any question, I know I said this to be a feedback, but it's only like one-way feedback from me. I didn't get opportunity to hear much from you, but if anybody have any question, please feel free to send us an email, call us, or whatever method that works for you. All right. So that will be the end of it for now. And then the class is going to start with the kid now. Thank you so much. I appreciate your time. And that will be the end for now. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Yeah, you can schedule one-on-one with me or anything, then we can talk a little bit more and longer. Even if you have any question about your maths for your kid, reading, or anyone, we are up for the game. Check our website, and I appreciate your time a lot. I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
The
So it's
class
time
will
for
be on, the class
go
will
ahead.
be, listen, excuse me, the class will be on the stream as well.
Yeah. The class starts now. It's live stream. Yes.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you. Mhm. Welcome, everyone. Thank you for joining the class today. I hope you are doing well, and I hope your week has been a fantastic one. Sorry, we had a little conversation with the parent just now, and I kind of run into your time a little bit. I'm very sorry about that. So now the class is going to start, all right? Last week, I know we have so many people in the room. I know all of you are wondering like, oh, too much noise and things like that. So, but don't worry about it. We understand, and our goal is so that you can have fun, right? So, but today we are gonna now start getting into the real stuff, and I want you to be patient. I want you to enjoy yourself as we go through everything. All right. So today, it is gonna be very simple. We're gonna start off with uh, the homework that we give you last week, which is for you to try out the Blockly maze. So I want to know how many people have tried that now, you know. So if you have, feel free to unmute yourself and just say, hey, I did it.
I did it. I did some of it. I didn't do the last problem. I did all of it.
Hello.
Yeah, good job. Keep going.
it.
Oh, nice. I love that. I love that.
I can just to do like just from number 6.
Oh, you did up to number 6. I know the toughest one is number 10. Even like a lot of even bigger kids have not been able to fix that one. But if you get up to number 6, oh my God, that's good. Good job. Good job. I'm proud of you. Who else? Let's go. Let's go. Even if you don't do it, say I don't do it, it's okay. And then we'll do it again today. So don't worry about it. Even if you don't do it.
I went up to 4.
You say what?
I went up to level 4.
You are not able to do it. That's nice. That's nice. Thank you for at least letting us know. That's good. So who else? Who else? Who else? Who else? Let me hear you. Let me hear you. So we're gonna do this for 1 more minute and then we're gonna start. All right. We're gonna start. Today is gonna be much more fun. All right. It's gonna be a lot more fun. Did you do like? I know all of you do you? How many people like Minecraft? Do you like Minecraft?
I like
You like Minecraft? Good.
me.
Some people don't.
Yes.
Do you like Music Lab? Do you like
Yes.
to create something with music? Okay. You know, you can write the code. You can use code to create music. You can use code to do anything. So that's the beauty of coding. Coding, you can use it to do anything you like. All right. So that's why coding is beautiful. Say, for example,
Can't hear
um,
anything. Anne, verebilir misin?
so coding is beautiful, all right? So anything you choose to do, you can basically do it with coding. So for example, look at this. This is like for music, right? So we can create music with coding, all right? We can do anything we like. So let's anything that you like, you can create coding with it. Okay, so let me give you 1 more minute. Okay, let's try this now. So last week we said let's try this. You see, our goal is to move this guy. This guy you see here, we want to move that guy to this point. So all of you, right now I'm going to unmute all of you. But before I do that, give me a second. I see some people are still joining, so I want to give them a chance as well. I want to give them a chance, so I'm going to allow them to join. So just let's give them 1 minute, just 1 minute. You guys be patient, and then we're gonna just have a little fun, and then we now go to building the code now, right? Okay. So it looked like there's no more people in the room, and I think we can start now. So let me make sure that all of you can talk for now. Okay, everybody can talk for now. Let me also make sure that all of you can chat as well. Before I disable everybody from being able to chat. Okay. 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 So great. Now, so what I asked you to do last week is basically we want to move this little guy. Let me make it big. We want to move this little guy from here and go to this point. Okay. So what you can do is if you say move forward, you see, if you take this out now, it goes away. So if you put it back, right, and you press run the code, if you say run the program, see, move forward, but it got stuck. So what are we going to do? We need to find a way to make sure that the guy is not stuck. It needs to, if you are trying to go, you have to turn. Is it going to turn right or is it going to turn left? Somebody raise hand. I am.
Turn the left.
Okay, you're going to turn the left. Good job. You can now lower your hand now. So we need to say it's going to turn left. Okay, great. We added left. And you know, you can change the direction here, right? Or
Yeah.
change it to left. Okay. So if you turn left, then what else do you think we need to do so that you can get here? Is it going to move forward or turn left again?
Move forward.
It's going to move forward again. That's it. Awesome. So we're going to move forward again. And then if you move forward, you know it's going to get to this point and it's going to get stuck again. And it's facing towards up this way. So what do you need to do again? Somebody, Adaya. Okay, Iria Yolua, can you say something? Unmute yourself. What's he going to do now? Go ahead.
Turn right.
He's going to turn right. Good job. Very proud of you. Good job. And then he turns right, you know. Okay, so let's run the code now. Everybody agree? You can lower your hand now, Iroluwa. So everybody agree that this code is fantastic now. Okay, let's run it. Okay, you see it turn? Do you notice that but it turned and it turned right, but we didn't finish the code because it didn't get to its destination. So I see somebody raise his hand, Abhishek. So unmute yourself and tell me what to do.
So that it can go.
Hello, we can't hear you.
God. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Everyone, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
I can hear you.
Yes.
I can hear
Okay.
you. I can hear you.
hear you.
Okay, great,
I can
great,
hear
great,
you.
great, great. I'm so sorry. For some reason, some people say they couldn't hear me. So now I'm glad everybody can hear me. Great. Okay, see the code we built now. It's going to move forward from here to this point. Let's go. It's going to move forward. That's the forward first. And then, because it will hit a roadblock here, the only thing it can do is turn left. Then it turn left. Then he move forward again. Then he's going to hit a roadblock. Then he turn right. And then if he turn right, but still to get to the destination, he's got to move forward, right? So then he move forward. And now let's run the program again. Good job. We get it. So remember last week, we talked about what coding is. Coding is giving instruction to computer and computer following the instruction. And that is exactly what you see here happening. We give the instruction, move forward, turn left, move forward, turn right, move forward. And then if you see now it's moving, it's following the instruction. And then, so what you notice is that as you are doing the instruction, you are basically writing the code as well. We're going to get to the point where you're going to know how to write the code yourself. These are the code that somebody else has written, and you are dragging it and dropping it to give instruction to computer. But as we go along, what you will see is that you will now be able to write the code yourself, just like these people, these other students, they wrote the code like this. It's the same thing. It's the same thing as like dragging and dropping like that. So you're going to be able to do the same thing. Exactly like that. You are doing the same thing right now as well. So if you click, let's now move to the next level. Let's move to the next level now. Okay, who can tell me what code we need to write now? This guy need to move from here to here. Who want to give me an idea? I hope everybody's unmuted. Okay, who has an idea? Somebody is typing.
We can move
I did all
forward.
of it. Okay, I did all of it. Good job, good job, good job. Let me give you well. Okay, move forward. Is that what? Okay, Javi. Yeah, Javi. Yeah, go ahead, Javi.
We could put the repeat in until do box and then put move forward inside that.
Okay, great. So let's run it now. So you see, you only move forward one time. So we need more forward. Then you move forward 2 times now.
We
It's
could
still
put
not enough.
repeat. We could put repeat until in one move forward.
Good job. That's exactly what I'm talking about. But because of all the people that don't understand that yet, let's try to explain it to them now. Okay. You see, we will have to add another how many move forward. See, we will need how many, you see those white spots? Those are the move forward. So move forward, move forward, move forward, move forward. So you will need like 4 move forward to get to the destination. But instead of that, we need to now try something else, right? We need to try something else, which is what we call repeat, all right? So we put repeat first. So because all that is doing is just repeating, move forward. So instead of having to write move forward, can you hear me? Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, awesome. So you look like, so instead of having to write move forward several times, what we can do is take this out first. There is something called repeat because it's just repeating itself. Move forward, move forward, move forward, move forward like a frog. Have you seen a frog jumping before? It's just jumping, boom, boom. Or think about it this way. You're going to climb a stair, right? What do you do to climb a stair? You take your step, your right or left foot forward, then you do it many times, and then you keep going upward. So you're just repeating the same thing all over and over again. So we just now put move forward inside. When you run it now, you just keep moving forward until you cannot move forward again. See that? See that? That's it. Instead of us having to write move forward many times. So this concept is what we call loop. So what does loop mean? Let me show you an example. Let me give you an example of what I mean by loop. Okay. So give me a second to clear this canvas. So loop is something just going round and round or doing the same thing all over again. Just going in the same direction. Same thing all over again. It's like, this is loop, for example. Watch another way to think about loop. If a child is just doing this, you see that? I'm just doing the same thing all over and over again. So instead of having to repeat the same thing many times, I can just write repeat and just put this inside the repeats. And then it just repeat it many times. So this idea is what we call loop encoding. Loop, F-L-O-P, loop. So you can think about it like loop. You see loop, you are just going in circle, in circle, in circle, in circle, in circle. So that's the meaning of loop. You get it, right? So now, let's now go back to coding again. Does anybody have question? Cairo, do you have question? Please go ahead.
Question.
Okay, go ahead.
Look for another thing.
You say what? Okay, you want to tell me about the code? We're gonna get back there. Let's get back to our code now. Okay, so you
Question.
guys
Which app are we on?
what is what?
Which app are we on?
Which app? Okay, let me put the code, the link on the in the chat. You know how to copy things from the chat, right? So I'm putting in the chat now. So copy that and put it in your browser, or just click on it. Click on it in the chat. Yeah, click on it in the chat. Do you see that in the chat? Click on it.
Yes.
Okay, so you should be in the same. So everybody, you can practice along as we're doing it as well. So you can practice along. So in this case now, see, I use the example. This is a loop now. This is an example of a loop now. You see, it's repeating itself, repeating the same thing. It's just going over in loop, in loop, in loop. We use this a lot in coding. For example, all of you, you know that when you do, when you watch YouTube, For example, I know all of you know how to know YouTube, right? If you get to YouTube and you find something, say you are looking for coding, let's just say Spider-Man or something. When you find Spider-Man in thing, and then when the video finish playing, so we don't really want to watch the video.
My work is easy because I use ClickUp. Here,
Okay, let it finish.
here's how I keep track of all my tasks. I start by brain dumping everything I need to get done.
I know all of you know this. So if you finish, example,
Hey, Bigfoot.
For our surprise 13, right on my
you will see that this button, pause button, is going to change to something else. You see, oh, no, I'm unable to do it. Just give me a second. It keep changing. I want you to see when the movie ends. Let me not waste your time. When it ends, you see, you will have an arrow like this instead of play. Which thing do you want to replay? So what make it to replay in that sense is loop. We are just repeating the same thing. So the same code that just run now, we want to replay it again. So when you think about loop, you can think about it like replay. Like that replay button, that is the same thing as loop. So we're going to go forward, turn left, go forward, turn right, go forward, like that. So that's what we are doing now. So let's do the first one first. So we are going to move forward. Who can tell me what next after moving forward? It's moving forward now. It gets stuck. So what do you need next? What do you think it needs next? Noah, raise your hand. I see Noah raise. Okay, Noah's okay. So what do you think it needs next now? It needs to turn left. We did this before. It turned left, correct? So after turning left, then what does it need? It needs to go forward, correct? So let's reset and do it again. You see, move forward, then it turn left. But instead of us trying to do it all over and over again, they say move forward again, right? And then turn right. So let's do it. Move forward, turn right, and then move forward again. So now you can see that after you turn right, all you need to do is go back here and say move forward, turn left, move forward, turn right. That's all you need to get for all of them. It's the same repeat. So now let's just put it inside the repeat and take all of this and put it inside repeat like that. You see that? Once you put it inside repeat, let's now see what happens. See? It's just going to be repeating the same thing. Because that's how you climb a stair anyway. You're just repeating the same thing. You're raising your leg, you move forward, you raise your leg, you move forward, you raise your leg, you move forward. So we're just replaying. We're just replaying the same thing. Okay, so we are going to stop. This is just for you to have fun. So all of you should continue doing this at home. And then we're now going to go to building our first website. Who is excited? Who is excited to see what's next? Good job. Okay.
I am.
Noah, good job.
Obviously,
Noah.
Me.
Okay, great.
I was in. It's like scratchman.edu. When you're making a game, it's exactly like this.
Good job. Good job. So which one? So block what? .eu. Okay, don't worry. We'll look at it together. Don't worry. You're gonna have fun. I see somebody raise this, and Ade, do you have question? Is it Gonda? I can't see your name very well. It's Gonka. Do you have if I pronounce your name wrong, please just forgive me. If you have a question, please go ahead. I'll wait for you now. So
wait.
okay, ask them. Is it? Okay, so let me see. Is anybody else raising? Nobody else. Okay, good. Let's move forward. Let's move forward now. Okay, let's move forward. So we're gonna use the same idea that we have learned now. We're gonna use that idea to build our first website. All right? Okay, but before we continue with that, I want to show you something real quick. So you remember last week, we talked about Brett. I think you have a question. Please go ahead, Brett. Brett, go ahead. I see you have a question.
My question is, why were you on a certain level? Why were you on level 5? Exactly.
Why was I on level 5? Because we started from level 1 and we were doing it together and we were going up. It's like we were going up, as if you're climbing stairs. And then that's how we get to level 5. So if you want to take it to level 6, 7, 8, then you can continue to do it by yourself. And then if you have questions, you can schedule one-on-one review meeting with me during the week. And I will talk to you and then we can do it together if you want. All right. So if you feel like, oh, I want to do more with him, oh, I want to have more fun about this, or I have a question, oh, I don't understand this, just tell your parent. They know where to schedule with me. Just tell them, can you schedule time with Dr. Wally? I want to talk to him. Then they will do that with me. All right. And then I will help you and then we can have fun about it together. Is it that okay? Okay, Cairo, I think you have a question too. Please go ahead. Okay, no more question. Great. Remember last week I told you that there are several different languages that we can use to talk to computer. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, C++, Java, many more languages. So I'm going to ask all of you a question now. Is Cairo still raising her hand? Please go ahead. So please go ahead. We can't hear you yet. Okay,
So
I think we can hear you.
why are you on a whole different level than me? Because you're on the 5th level and I'm on the 4th one.
What? Do you want to go to 5th? You want to go to 5th? Just finish 4th. Once you finish the 4th level, then you get to 5th. Is that okay?
But when I'm trying to do the 4th, when I'm trying to do the thing you did, it's not letting me do it.
Okay, it's not allowing you. Okay, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it for now. Don't worry about it for now. After the class, tell your parent to schedule one-on-one meeting with me, and then we will do it together. All right? We'll get to level 10 together. And then if you want to play with other kids as well, I will let you be able to join other kids as well. So for now, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. So just hold on. When I want you guys to listen now. So I'm gonna mute all of you. I'm gonna mute all of you. So after a while, you will not be able to unmute yourself because I'm gonna mute all of you now. So that because I want you all to. So now, so now everybody listen to me now, so that we can move forward a little bit. I want you to understand what we want to do today. So you remember last week we talked about different languages that we can use to speak to computer. And as I'm going to be saying it, so I'm going to ask you all of you. I'm going to unmute you again, and I want all of you to repeat after me. All right? I would like you to repeat after me. When I unmute you now, I would like you to repeat after me. So everybody, please unmute yourself. Okay. So now, the first language is HTML. Everybody say HTML.
HTML.
CSS. Everybody say after me CSS. Good. Good. Everybody say after me JavaScript.
JavaScript.
Okay. Everybody say after me Python.
Python.
Good job. Good job.
Python.
Everybody say after me C++.
C++.
Say after me, Java.
JavaScript.
Exactly. Good job, everyone. You've done fantastic job. So this the same way we have different languages: English, French, Spanish, Yoruba, German, Chinese, Hindi, Hindu, all of those different languages is the same thing. We have different languages that we use to talk to computer. So what we are going to be learning is the logic behind the language. Once you understand the flow of the language, it doesn't matter which language they're saying, they are all saying the same thing. That's it. So I will mute all of you again now, and I would like you to all pay attention again. All right? All pay attention again. So all pay attention again. So now follow me as I'm going. Follow me as I'm going. So the first language we are going to be learning so that we can be able to communicate with computer is what I call HTML. That is the simplest one. So HTML is like, if you want to build Lego, right? You need the Lego pieces. So HTML is like the Lego pieces that you need to put together in order to build the Lego structure you want to build. If you now want to make your Lego structure to be beautiful, like if you build a house, you have the wall, but it's not painted, it doesn't look beautiful yet. Then you need to put wallpaper or get brush and start painting it. So the language we use to give instruction to computer so that you can make it beautiful is what we call CSS. It's for styling, like to make something beautiful, like yellow, red, things like that. So that's it. So if you want to make that thing that you have built, if you want it to be moving something, to make something to jump, all of you play game, right? Like when you press the button on the game, say jump up, you press the arrow key. What is making it to move? The language is called JavaScript. So we are going to be learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to speak to computer in order to create our own website. Okay, let's now go to try the first one. Everybody, I believe you are ready now. This is another class. So we are going to start our own class separate. Okay, let's create a new project. Okay, so we are going to create a new project. And in this new project that we're going to create, we are going to call it Code Angels, because all of you are angels. And then you are learning code. And then you're going to learn the language you're going to use to tell computer, do this for me, and the computer will do it for you. Okay, so this is going to be your HTML class 1, okay? And we're going to select the language. You see, everywhere you see people say, I know how to code, all they are saying is just that I know how to talk to computer in different languages. So we are talking to computer now in HTML language. So let's go. Okay, this is our first canvas. So in HTML, Iriolu, I see you raise your hand. Let me ask you to unmute. Okay, I'm going to unmute you. Just wait a little bit. To, or let me just hear your question before you forget it. Okay, I understand. So I'm going to allow you to unmute yourself now. Okay, unmute yourself now.
Okay, I'm asking you, did you post the link in the chat?
The link for no, I don't post the link yet. We're going to have a breakout section where all of you are going to actually have the link and you're going to work together, and then you're going to each person is going to do his own, and then you're going to come together and present it, and then we'll see what you create. All right. So for now, just let me show you how it works. When I show you how it works, then all of you are going to have the link, and then you're going to start your own. All right. So, but for now, let's just watch me for now, and then we'll do it. I'm with you. Go ahead, please.
Sir?
Yeah, go ahead.
I went to stage 8. Can you show us how to complete stage 8?
Don't worry about it. For now, go and solve it. That's your puzzle that's your homework. Everybody is going to do it by themselves. I will not tell you, but I will show you how. Do you get it? I will show you how. The reason why I want you to try, keep on trying until you figure it out, is because it will help you to think about it. And then if you now stuck, if you are stuck, if you've tried and you're stuck, then schedule one-on-one review with me, and then we're going to play the game together, and then I'll show you the tricks. All right?
Okay, sir.
But for now, I want everybody to try, because coding is about thinking, it's about having fun. All right? So I want you to just go ahead.
Which app are we using now? After Blockly.
Yeah, I will show you. I'll show you. I'll show you. I'll show you. For now, just watch me. Just watch me do it, and then I'll show you the app. We're all going to do it. Just don't worry. I want you to listen now. This is listening time. After listening time, then we're going to have try it a time, and then we're going to have fun time, and then we're going to have talk time. You get it? So for now, let's do listen time. Listen time. All right. So I'm gonna mute all of you again.
Yes, sir.
So lower your hand now, and I'm gonna mute all of you again. Just listen for now, and let's just have fun. All right? Okay. So we are going to be talking to computer in HTML. Now I want to tell you how HTML language is written. I want to show you now. Just give me a second. Okay. Do you remember when you were in kindergarten? There is a song that all of you know, which it sounds like this: head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. I don't know if my voice is really good for singing, but I'm going to try anyway. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Like that, right? So in HTML, the way we write the language is that, first of all, before we even start talking to the computer need to know which language you are talking to him about. With. So you need to first of all say the language. So we are going to say, I'm going to talk to you in HTML. So you will write it here. And then inside the language, there are 3 things that are required to make the language possible. 3 things: head, body, and the foot. So anytime you want to remember how to write HTML, remember you need to first of all tell the computer, I want to talk to you in HTML. Then you now say, you remember that song, head, body, footer. We don't do shoulder this time, but shoulder is part of body. So head, body, and footer. So if you look at it now, we're going to put HTML here, and then we're going to put head, we're going to put body, and then we're going to put footer instead of foot. So when you think about the song, head, body, foot, we say the language, we tell the computer, I want to talk to you in HTML. Let me make sure you can see my screen very well. Okay. I want to talk to you in HTML. We write the language we want to. It's just like you say, I want to talk to you in English. Okay. This is the way I speak English. I start with head, and I go with body, and I go with footer. So the same way we write in HTML. So we have the language, then we have the head, we have the body, we have the footer, we have the HTML again. So all of these things that I just mentioned in HTML, they are called tags or elements. So whenever you hear HTML tags, HTML tags, HTML tags, that's what it means. So now watch me try to do the same thing that I just showed you now. So I'm going to start to now write the code. So I first of all tell the computer, I'm going to speak to you in which language? HTML. Then I go again. And in my house, the way we talk is this song, head, instead of shoulder. Since shoulder is part of the body, we put the body. Then we can put footer if you want. Footer is optional. So in this case, let's forget about footer, but you can put footer. And guys, do you know this secret that I just showed you now is the way every website made their website? Let's look at YouTube, for example. If you right click, like I showed you last week, and then you click on inspect, you will see the code behind YouTube. Let's go to the top. Do you see they tell computer first, I want to speak with you in HTML. And then head. and then body. Maybe let's check if they use footer. Footer is optional. You didn't use footer. Let's look at Minecraft website. Let's look at Minecraft website. I know a lot of you like to play Minecraft. If you inspect the website, you see the same logic. If you go to the beginning, HTML, you see HTML, head, body. Let's see if they have footer. They also don't have footer. Footer is optional, but a lot of, let's check Roblox too. I know a lot of you like Roblox. Let's check that one too. Let's right click, inspect. Do you see all of them, HTML, head, body? So there is no website in this world that does not follow the same structure that I'm showing you right now. So everything you are learning now, this is how every website in the world is created. So the website itself, all this screen, like you're looking at my website now, let's click on this now. This whole page is what we call HTML document. So that's why we have to start with HTML first. So the part that people can see on the website, like we are seeing Roblox, we are seeing sign up, that is inside the body. Inside the body. So anything you want people to see, you put it inside the body. Anything that controls what happened in the body, we put it inside the head because it's like human being. The brain that controls the body is here, it's in the head. Anything that we don't want people to see that much, we put it inside the foot. So anytime you forget how to make a website, just remember the song, head, shoulder, and toes. In this case, head, body, and footer. So remember, if you want to do it, we tell the computer, we are speaking with you in HTML. That's the language we are speaking. We start with our head, shoulder, knees, and toe songs, and then we do that. Whatever we want people to see, we put it here. We put it inside where? Inside the body. Okay, let me now unmute all of you now, and I want you to ask me a question now. All right? Everybody will ask me a question now. Let me allow you to unmute. Okay, so all of you now, you can unmute yourself and now ask me a question now. If you have a question, just raise your hand.
How often do
You say, go ahead. Go ahead, I'm listening. Okay, I can see, okay, somebody is reconnecting. Go ahead, let me see. Guys,
I have a
ask me
question.
question. Yeah, go ahead.
How did you get on where you are?
I will show you because I've not even shown you yet. I'm explaining to you now. Remember I told you, so somebody is Tara. Tara, please unmute yourself and ask me a question. Go ahead, Tara. Okay. You change your mind. Okay, Ayash. You see, I pronounce Ayash. Okay.
Why footer is optional?
Food, why is it optional? Look at it this way. Let me find one website for you.
Basically, we're doing Roblox.
Yeah, Roblox. Let me see if Roblox. See, this is footer. See, all these things here, see how small it is. Not many people really go there to look at things. The main thing that people look at is in the body. But if you want to see, you can go to the bottom and see it. That's why footer is optional. But Roblox put a little footer in there. All right. So that's why that's how it works. So I see Melissa. Ask me a question, please.
What is the most popular way to communicate with the computer?
The most popular language that people are using is JavaScript. And we are going to learn it too. But you must learn HTML first. Okay, so think about it like a book. I'm trying to find a book. So look at this book. You might not see it well because I'm using background. But anyway, think about it like a book, right? So HTML is what we use to make the book itself. Now, to move the book, for the book to be moving like this, you need JavaScript to do that. You know? Then if you want to make the book to be beautiful, you need CSS to do that. All right? So the most popular language in the world is JavaScript, followed by Python. So we're going to learn everything. So, but we're going to start small, little, and then you will get it. And then you will see how powerful coding is and how easy it is too. Okay. So I want all of you to pay attention. Just pay attention. You are going to play with the code, and also you're going to write the code. That's what I want. So any website you get, you want to understand the code, just right-click on it, anywhere in it, go to inspect, and then you see the code. And then you can understand what they did. And then you see, and then you can even play with it, change it if you want. All right? So, and I'll show you how to do all those things. We did a little bit of it last week. But for now, guys, let's now go back, and I want all of you now to try, okay? So I want you to go to this website. I will put the link in the, okay. So I'm going to put the link there.
Chat.
Just give me a second. Just give me a second. I'll put the link there. This is free open source website that you can use. That's why we are looking for something you have to pay. I'm with you. Go ahead.
Where do you go to go to that website?
I'm gonna give it in the chat. So everybody go to the chat. If you know, last week we show how to go to chat. Go to chat. You will click the chat, and then you will see the link. Click on that link. Everybody click on that link. Everybody click on that link. Do you see the chat? Click on the link.
Sir, I opened the thing. What do I do now?
Okay, now let me show you. Go on, hold on a second.
Stop.
Let me show you.
Does that have to say start coding?
Let me show you how it works so that you can see Edu blocks.
But you have
I don't
to
want your
press
parents to have to pay for anything. So let's just keep going. Blocks.org.
press.
So everybody just follow me. So when you click on this link, it will take you here. It will take you here. Don't click on register. It will show you like this. Do you see what I'm saying now? Can you see my screen?
No.
Did you click on the link? If you didn't click on the link, just type this in your browser, edublocks.org. Put it in the browser. Open a new browser.
I already clicked it on the chat.
So click it on the chat. If you click on the chat, it should take you to a browser. You see, you click. Yeah, do it that way. And you should take you here. So once you are here, what I want you to do is don't say register. Ask only your parent to help you register. And then just say start coding. Just say start coding.
Okay.
Start coding. You're there. That's it. And now say create project. Give it any name you like. It's your project. The only disadvantage now is that you will not be able to save it. You have to take a screenshot of whatever you create. But after the class, ask your parent to help you sign up so that you register. It is free. Register on it, and then that's where we are going to be building our code for the rest of the class. All right? So once you create project, make sure you choose HTML. HTML. If you see HTML anywhere, just click on HTML. So let me go back. So if you scroll down, you scroll down. You see HTML? You can see HTML anywhere. Just click on it, start coding, and then let me log out.
Project name.
Click on
Code Angels.
So I'm going to sign out now, just that everybody can be on the same page with me. See, you can just straight. You don't have to click on. I'm listening.
When you click start coding, what do you do?
Just wait. We have to wait for everybody. Everybody be patient. We have to make sure everybody is on the same page. You can start coding whatever I code. Everybody start doing it. Once you are in there, just start doing whatever you like. All right. I want you to just have fun with it. So once you are here, once you get into the website, guys, just click on okay, let's go. It's taking me to Figma. I don't want to go to Figma. So guys, just click on HTML. It will take you to create project, or you can just click on create project and give it a name. You can just call it XYZ or call it your nice for favorite animal. You just say dog one HTML. But make sure that you don't choose Python, that you don't choose microbit, anything. Choose only HTML. And make sure it's on block coding, not text. And then click create. And that's it. Then you are here. You see that? You are here. Simple. Okay? If you are there, say yes, I'm there. I want to hear everybody talk. I'm there. Or type in the chat. I'm there. I'm there. I'm there.
I'm there.
Okay, good. Keep going. Everybody keep going. I want to hear you so that I know how many people are there now before we know what to do. Okay, it looks like a lot of you are not there yet. Okay, I'm going to start all over again. So go to chat, click
I'm there,
on
I'm
chat.
there.
You're there. If you're there, say I'm there or type it.
I'm there.
Hey man, I see you wanting to have a question. Okay, he doesn't have a question anymore. Okay. Okay, great. If you are there, say I'm there. I just need that.
I'm there.
Yeah. Okay, I see 13 people. I need more people.
Here.
If you're there, keep going. I need to know how many people so that before we move forward, I want to make sure everybody is able to do this. Okay? So once you're here, create project or click on HTML and then give it a name. Call it your summer camp 1. Any name you like. But make sure you choose HTML. Don't choose Python. We have not started learning Python yet. Choose HTML. You understand? And choose block. Make sure it's on block. Don't click on text because we are not doing that yet. Then click create. Okay. So I can see somebody has a question. Let's see who has question. Okay, it's gone. So, okay, I can see somebody still have question. Nobody has question anymore. Okay, so we're all good now. So now you start doing what I did, which is I'm going to sign in back again into my account again so that you're going to have to go back. Do you have any question? Please go ahead. Ask me any question. Okay, I'm logging again. So this is what we have done. If you log in, you can always continue where you stop. Do you see now I logged out and I log back in and I'm still back into the same spot. So now remember to do it. Go to page here. Take the language you want to speak to computer. Go to page again. Remember the song, head, shoulder, lead, and toe. Put the head. Go back again. Put the body instead of shoulder. We don't have shoulder, but we have body. So if everybody is got here, I want you to type in the chat or say it out. Say, I'm here. I want to hear that. I'm here. Or I'm gonna volunteer to say I'm here or I'm not there. Okay, somebody, Irioluwa, go ahead. I see you have a question. Unmute yourself. Somebody also have a question here. Irioluwa, go ahead. What did you say?
I'm there.
Good job.
Also, I have a question.
Okay, go ahead.
Is there something that you can click for feet?
No, we are gonna get there. We are not there yet.
Okay.
Just follow along with me. Melissa, go ahead.
When does this class end?
It will end soon in 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, we're ending. You understand? Is it boring or is it fun? Do you want to wait for the fun part?
It's fun.
Okay, let's make it more fun, all right? I want you to be able to write code. That's my goal. I want you to write the code today. So let's keep going, all right? Okay, so you know when we start a website, we need to give our website a title. So we can give it a title, just like a book has a title. So we drag title in there, and then you can call it. What did you say?
What do you do inside the app?
Okay. I didn't hear you. Can you move closer to the mic? Move closer so that I can hear you.
How do you get inside the app?
I'm not sure I hear you still.
What do you do now? You get inside the app.
Is there an app? Is that what you're asking? Okay, don't worry. Let me see who's asking. Then I can reach out to you later. Just chat. Send me a chat right now so that I can know you. Then I'll reach out to you later to understand your question better. I see Cairo. You have a question. Please go ahead. And I think I have two more people with question. Cairo, go ahead. You have a question. Go ahead. You have a question. Irioluwa, you have a question. Go ahead.
Sorry, I kept my hand up.
Okay.
I have a question.
Okay, please go ahead.
My question is, how much are we supposed to put of the website name?
Anything you like. It is your website, but we are building our website about.
No, I'm talking about how much.
How much? Don't worry. Just let's do some example and then you see, and then you can put whatever you like. It is your website. Remember? So for now, we're just going to do my favorite things. So everybody is going to create their favorite things. Let me show you somebody's example of their own favorite things. So this is somebody's website, for example. Do you see, as you are writing the code, you're going to be able to create something like this in the end. And they do it so that once you pick the color you want, the website changes color. They use JavaScript to do that. All right. So every one of us is going to be able to do that. So for example, should I run it? I don't want to. Okay. This is an example of the website. Let's put Aqua, right? That's our favorite color. It's asking what's your favorite color. And then also the website is asking what is your favorite hero. This is JavaScript that is making this possible. That's a Spider-Man. You say okay. You say welcome Spidey fun. You see JavaScript is that. And then say okay. Now loop. See loop is asking the same question all over and over and over and over and over and over again until number 3 times. Then you change it to Aqua. So you will be able to create your website, put whatever nice photos that you like in it, and change it to any color you want. But just let me show you how, so that you can go home at your time, begin to build your website. You understand my point? So I will mute everybody again because this is listening time again now. We all good? So let me mute everybody again so we can do the listening time now. Okay, sorry. So I'm muting all of you now. So everybody listen to me now, and let's do this quick so that we can get to the fun part, and then we can all enjoy ourselves. All right. So just wait quickly. So now you can be following along as I'm doing it. You can be doing it. So you need, like when you have a book, you need to give it a title. You see all of the websites we have opened. You see they have title here. All of this place is where the title is. You see the title right here inside the head of the website. You see the title right there. So that's it. That's how simple it is. So now let's give it a name. We will call it My Favorite Things. That's the title. But you can see, because it's inside the head, we can't see it here. Anything you want, like if you buy a new cloth now and you want your friend to see it, are you going to put it only on your head? You will put it in the body. So anything we want people to see on our website, we put it in the body. So now I want to put a text in the body, and I will put a heading in the body. So I drag the heading in the body and I put my favorite things. I want a smaller heading, I will do different H, and I will put 2. It's going down. 3 is going down. You see, it's going smaller. 4 smaller. 5 smaller. 6 is the last. 1 is the biggest. You see that? I just make a heading. Okay, I want to write a lot of text to tell people what my website is going to be like. Then I will pick another one. Whenever I want to write a lot of text, I put paragraph. Then I put paragraph. Then I can tell, let's say, welcome to my website where you will learn about my favorite things. Okay, we can write a lot more text here. You get it, right? So you see now we're already building something. Okay, you can add another paragraph if you want and put another paragraph there. And then this paragraph, I want to tell people about me. I want to say, oh, this is my first time writing code to make a website. You can do that. You see, it's fun. You see, everything we want, we pick the tag that we want. You remember when I showed you this? I told you all of these are tags. So inside the tag, we put it. Different tag make text or image do something different. So we're gonna put it like that. So now I want to put another heading. And that heading is going to be animals. But instead of just doing heading, I can just remove heading and say I don't want heading. I want to put another structure. I want to put a section. I can have several sections in my website. So this section, I put a heading there now inside the section. This section is going to be animals. My animals I love. Yeah. And then I put another section. Then I can say duplicate. If you right click on it, you can duplicate this now. And then just put it another section. Then this section is going to be about, let's follow this, for example, my favorite heroes. Yeah, we can do my favorite heroes. Yeah, my favorite, this one can be my favorite animals. Right? That's that one. So this one is my favorite hero. But you can see there's a problem here. I'm fixing that problem now. My favorite hero. All right? So we can go again. Actually, let me just build this again. I'm going to pick another structure. You can use any of these, but don't put footer. If you want to put footer now, you can put footer after the body. You see? So you see footer is optional, like I told you before. So you can put footer in there like that. So now we have my favorite animal. You see, it's becoming nice gradually. Now, let's do my favorite star, my favorite animal. Let's add my favorite hero inside the body, because whatever we want people to see, we put it in the body. Okay? Then we get another heading. And then now we're going to put my favorite heroes. Okay? Let's add another one. Places I want to visit. Let's do another one. Pick another section. Can you admit that person in the class, please? Okay, let me just do it. Okay, so I want to do another section now. Then I go to text. Then I bring another heading again so that people know that section is for my favorite places or places I want to visit. Places I want to visit. And then let's do colors I love. Or what is? We can do another thing, like let's do one more section and that will be it. And then we can start building those sections. See? Then go here again. put your text there and then say my best food, my best foods or my favorite foods. Okay, so now inside each of these, I can begin to add a list of things that I want. But before then, let's just make it look a little beautiful. Okay? Then I can go inside what we call attributes. I will explain this to you later, what it means. But for now, I just want you to build it first. So who is following along? Let's now see, let's break into two groups so that I can help each one of you. So we are going to have a breakout section. Stephen, if you are listening to me, let's do the breakout section now and have two groups. And then let each person go through it. And then we can ask people to talk and then we can help them through it. All right. So everybody will be in two groups. Okay, let me first of all unmute you now before we go to the breakout room. Everybody unmute yourself.
Sir?
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir?
I'm with you. I'm with you.
Sir?
I'm
Jude,
unmuted.
go ahead.
Can't
Go
Sir?
ahead.
I'm unmuted.
Raise your hand. Go ahead and ask me question. Ask me question.
Sir?
Basically, can't
I
see.
couldn't finish the thing you were
Well,
typing
look at what
and I
people
couldn't
are
do it.
Okay, it's okay. Don't worry if you have not finished.
how long this
Sorry,
goes.
I couldn't see.
don't see it. Okay,
Sir, you
good.
were going to be asking me and I couldn't.
Look at how much dog's doing.
Finish. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. No problem. So now hear me. Everyone hear me. Hear me. Hear me out. Let me move you all again so that you can hear me out. So we are going to break. Don't worry if you have not finished it. Don't worry if you don't even get it. Don't worry if you have not even started. It's not a problem. Don't worry at all. So we are going to break into smaller groups now. I'm going to assign you to room automatically. So whatever room so basically instead of having 40 people in the room at the same time, we're going to have 20 now. And then our tutors are going to help you with each of the problems that you might have, all right? We're going to do it together. Don't worry. And if you don't get it in a class today, please set up a meeting with me immediately, all right? And then I'll help you through it one-on-one. So you don't have to be, and give at least 15 minutes to each person, all right? So don't worry about it if you don't get it. Just do your best. Just try and do your best. That's all that matters. Okay, so now I'm breaking you into two rooms now. So now you can choose room you want. I mean, you will find yourself in a room and you can now, if you're in the room, I want you to start talking. Say something so that we know you're there. Yeah, I can't hear you guys. Did I mute all of you? Uh-huh. So let me join now. Okay, I'm gonna join. Can you all hear me now? We are joining the rooms back together now. Okay, let's join back into the room. Okay, everybody back in the room now. Okay, let's go. Good, good, good. Okay, some people miss out because one of the tutors, on the other hand, didn't join had an issue joining the class. So I'm going to repeat myself what we did on the other room. So there will be another opportunity for those of you that are with me to repeat and to try it again. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen again. For all of you that are on the other room that didn't see us, we are sorry. There was supposed to be a tutor with you, but the tutor had a problem joining the class. So I'm sorry about that. But don't worry, I'm going to do again what we did on the other side. So anybody who is not in the other room who have a question about what we did, please ask your question. Raise your hand and ask question. Kate, I see Kate trying to join. So if you have question, please try to ask your question. Okay, so in the meantime, what we did was we show how to drag this. For some people who had problem coming here, you need to find a browser and go to the chat room. Go to the chat room, and in the chat room, try to do that. Click on that link and it will take you here. If it take you here, just say start coding. And then once you say start coding, click on HTML, give it a different name, any name you like, say Wale website, whatever. Make sure you're on HTML, click create, and that's it. And then you can start creating. Bring the language out first, then begin to add the song, head, body, and I can show you where to get footer too. If you want to get footer, you can get footer from right here, and then you can add footer. So head, body, footer. And then go to your thing, to your website and give it a title. Go to page, you can find title there. So like we have a book with a title, and don't say my favorite things. And then you see it's nothing showing up yet because it's not inside the body. So now to make it to show, anything we want people to see, we put it inside the body. So this is supposed to go inside the head, sorry. So whatever we want people to see, we put it inside the body. So I want people to see what my website is. Then I change the heading to my favorite things. All right. I can see somebody raise their hand. Well, I'm coming to that. So then the next thing is go to structure. Let's create different sections inside the body. We're going to create 3 sections. I'll drag section 3 times. All right. Then I can say, I want different headings. I want different sections for different things that I want people to see about me. So I'm going to bring heading as well. I'm going to bring heading. You see that? Oh, I only have 2 yet. Okay, I'll bring another heading here. And I'm going to say my favorite foods, my favorite animals, my favorite places I want to visit. So you can do anything you want. And then you can now begin to write things under them if you want. You can write things here and say, welcome to my beautiful website. Okay, so that's it. Oh, pardon me, I wrote bad text. So you can write anything you want. So now let's start making it beautiful. You see the body of our website is just white. We can begin to change the color. So that is what we call styling. So now we need to speak another type of language to computer now to do the coloring. And that language is called CSS. So we can go inside what we call attributes here. Let's pick style. And then put the style in the wall of the body right here. We want to put it in the body. Oh, no, it's not allowing us to put it in the body, but we can. Wait, just give me a second. Give me a second. Okay. Okay, let's change the color of the heading for now. Okay, let's put it in there. And now we can say color, give it aqua. Do you see that? Aqua is boring. Let me give it blue. Do you see that? Then I do that. And it's too small. I want it so big that everybody can see it. So I say font size, the size of the font, and I say give me 100 pixels. See how big it is? Then it's too big. I don't want it that big. I want to change it to 50. Okay, but I want it to have a background color. Then I can say background color. And then I can change the background color to red so that you can see it. Do you see that? But it's boring. Rather, I'm going to have it to be, I'm going to change the color of my text to white. So you can do that. You can begin to play with it like that. Do you see that? Oh, I'm going to change my background color now to blue. Is it making sense now? Okay, let me unmute all of you. Now let's talk about it. You unmute yourself. This is where we are going to stop today. And this is the time for you to just tell me if you like it, if you don't like it, if you need question. Remember, guys, you can always schedule one-on-one with me. If you don't get it in the class, it's not a problem. Just try. That's all we care about. We care about only you just trying. Then, in the one-on-one class, I'm going to be able to show you. We're going to play. There are more fun games than this. We're going to play together, all right? So go to...
Okay.
So, Melissa, I see you have a question for me. Sorry that it took me long before I asked you to talk. Melissa, you can unmute yourself.
Can you give me the website?
Okay, I'm going to put it in the chat again, and then you will copy it from there. All right? It's already in the chat anyway, but I'm going to give you in case some people have chatted, you can't find it anymore. So I'm copying it again. I'm going to paste it again. I see somebody just help me type some Chinese in there.
Then I see all over TV.
Face to face? Yeah. That's the thing.
She was just here.
So I'm going to be posting, as people are chatting me too, I'm going to be putting it. I like the Chinese you're typing. That's good. Somebody is just typing Chinese. Okay, I'm going to make you not to be able to chat now. So you can't chat anymore.
Yeah.
But it's nice. I love it. Guys, feel free, express yourself. I want you to just play with it. Break the code. Make it not to work. I like it. Make it to work. And break it again. Make it not to work. But play with it. That's the site. I've sent it again. All right? Okay. This is the end of class today. We are just having fun now, guys. So tell your parents, please tell your parents you can put your video on now if you want. We are just having fun now, guys. We are done with class, so I'm going to stop sharing. We are done with class, but you can put your video on if you want. This is a fun time now. You can do anything you want. That's fine.
Bye, teacher.
Yeah, okay. So now, guys, tell your parents if you need one-on-one. If you like the coding and you want to do more of it, sign up for 4 classes. We have opened the class now. So enjoy yourself, have fun. And if you have any question, you don't understand it, please tell your parents to schedule one-on-one with me, and then I will show you. So I'm gonna be saying bye-bye to all of you, one after the other. So bye-bye, Oluwatishe. Bye-bye, Ayash. Bye-bye, Ola. Thank Bye-bye, Kusha. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good job. Have a nice week. Tony, bye-bye. Asha,
Bye, teacher.
bye-bye.
Thank you.
Asha, bye, Daniel.
Bye.
James, bye, Laulu. Bye. I can see you.
Thank
My
you.
Computer is very funky.
bye-bye. Have a nice
Well,
bye. Noah, bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, bye, bye. Asha,
trying to
bye-bye.
connect.
Bye, dear.
Bola,
Bye.
bye-bye. I see you, Abimbola, bye-bye. Bosola, bye-bye. Oh my God, bye-bye. I have fun today. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye, Gabriel. Bye, guys.
Jimmy Roll, Bubbles.
Sushima, bye-bye. Fishmiga, bye-bye. Bye,
Bye,
bye, bye,
teacher.
bye. Anthony, bye-bye. Bye, bye, Gabriel. Bye,
Bye, teacher.
Abimbola. Bye, Lalo.
Bye,
Bye. See
teacher.
you next week. See you next week. Bye-bye. Make sure you don't miss the class
Bye,
next week.
teacher. Bye,
Bye.
teacher. Thank you.
Bye. See you guys. Abimbola, happy to see you. Bye-bye. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye-bye, guys. Bye. It was fun having you. Bye.
Thank you for teaching me today, teacher.
Don't worry. If you need help, make sure you tell your parent to sign up for one-on-one, and I will help you out.
Thank you
Right?
so much.
Thank you,
Goodbye.
teacher.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you so much, teacher.
Thank you, Laulu. Thank you. Make sure you reach out.